I care. It's nice and warm here, and I got plenty of food. Go on and blow.